Artificial intelligence is already shaping how every organization operates. But the biggest competitive gap isn't technology, it's leadership readiness. By 2026, companies led by AI-literate executives are expected to outperform others by 30% in productivity and innovation. Most businesses are experimenting with AI, but few have the structure to manage it responsibly. A 2024 SMB readiness survey found that 74% are using AI informally, yet only 23% have defined policies for data security, compliance, or accountability. The tools are here. The guardrails aren't. The first skill is AI literacy, knowing what AI can and can't do. Leaders don't need to code. They need to understand how data becomes output and where bias or inaccuracy can creep in. AI literacy creates better questions, better oversight, and better decisions. The second is data fluency, the ability to evaluate data quality and relevance. AI is only as good as its data. Inaccurate or incomplete data leads to unreliable results. Leaders who understand data integrity make better strategic and compliance decisions. The third skill is prompt design paired with critical thinking. AI tools don't create insight, people do. The quality of your input determines the quality of the output. Leaders must learn to test, verify, and challenge AI results, not just accept them. Skill 4 is governance and ethics, knowing how to use AI safely. Following frameworks like NIST's AI Risk Management Framework or FTC safeguards helps protect sensitive data and maintain public trust. Ethical AI isn't optional, it's part of compliance. The fifth skill is automation thinking, recognizing repetitive, low-risk processes that AI can handle. Ticket triage, data entry, compliance reporting. These are ideal candidates. Automation frees your team to focus on high-value work while reducing error rates. Getting started doesn't require a massive overhaul. Focus on 4 quick wins. Run a short AI literacy session, write a usage policy, automate 2 safe workflows, and assign a governance lead. That's how AI readiness begins, one structured step at a time. AI isn't replacing leadership, it's redefining it. The next generation of business leaders won't just manage IT, they'll manage intelligence. Build the skills today that will define success in 2026 and beyond.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.